Introducing IdolCam, the first all-in-one vlogging solution, providing you all the tools needed to turn your daily moments into cinematic movies with just one simple click of the button. IdolCam is the most ambitious compact vlogging camera to date. Completely designed from the ground up to achieve the perfect blend of convenience, image, and audio quality. Coming from a long history of product development for video professionals, we wanted to put the same capability and versatility of a professional setup into the palm of your hand. After countless iterations and refinements, we've managed to seamlessly combine the power of a 4K camera with interchangeable lenses, a robotic 3-axis gimbal, a lighting system, a 180-degree flip screen, and a premium mic into a compact device. In addition, our very own external mic VlogStar for users looking for top-notch audio in a compact size. IdolCam is the new standard for vlogging. You are only 3 seconds away from shooting with a full-fledged camera system, allowing even beginners the ability to capture videos like a seasoned pro. At the core is our robotic 3-axis gimbal that transforms IdolCam into the next-level vlogging camera. Insanely stable video is only the beginning. With 5 different gimbal modes: FPV, slider, crane, radio control, and moving time-lapse. You have so much capability and versatility. It's like having a production crew at your command. IdolCam features a unique magnetic interchangeable lens system that makes lens changes effortless. Each IdolCam comes with a wide-angle lens for vlogging and a fisheye lens for POV and action sports. To take versatility even further, optional portrait, macro, and low-light lenses will unleash your creativity. Another innovation of IdolCam is the interchangeable magnetic beauty and spotlights that fills in those unflattering shadows to let you look your very best every time. We thought a true vlogging camera should have some bling and wow factor, so we studded the screws with stars and plated them with 24-karat gold. Also an optional 24-karat gold plated name tag that will make you stand out from the crowd. We didn't stop at creating just an amazing camera for you. We want to provide you with the option to monetize your video content from day one. Therefore, we created an affiliation program so you don't work and wait months before you can monetize on video platforms. Start capturing your life like an idol. Shoot faster, better, and monetize your video content with IdolCam.